Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error 0x800704ec. So how we can fix it? First we need to open our search tab. So this error is with Windows Defender. So how we can fix it? So just write here registry. Here you can see registry editor. So just open it, click yes. So now you need to go to local, so just scroll up. Here you can see HKey local. Here we open software folder, and in software we need to find policies, not Microsoft but policies. So just scroll down, policies, here you open it and choose Microsoft, click on Microsoft, and here you will find choose Windows Defender. So just open Windows Defender, and here you will find another file. So you just need to right click on this file and choose modify, and in this file you need to write invalid data null, so just 0, because this second file you will have 0 in value, you will see 1. So just write 0, and just after you click OK, just delete this file and close this registry editor. So I hope that it will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe.